We talked about spreadsheets being able to manipulate data and being able to do things for us. One of the classic functions of a spreadsheet is its ability to autofill. So, say for example, we might want all the days of the week, and we write down Monday, and then we go to this corner where the square is and drag down, and what we'll see is it'll start completing the rest of the days of the week for us. If we drag down further, it will start repeating from the start of that. The same thing it can do for months of the year. And again, for number patterns, if I click on this 2 and drag down, what we'll get is the number 2 repeating itself. But should we start creating a pattern and then getting the 2 cells, the 2, 4, and we drag down, we will get the rest of the numbers and are counting on by 2s. A possible activity is to get students to, alongside this, write down what they think is going to appear and then use this drag down. And the same thing can happen for 10, 20s, in fact a number of other patterns. Should we be wanting to reproduce things such as teams and allocate these to people? We've got these teams: Goldilocks, Red Riding Hood and Captain Planet. Again, if we highlight all of them, it will recognize that as a series of 3 that needs to be repeated with an auto fill. Here's one that's a little bit more substantial and complicated, but I just wanted to reference this one here. In this cell, it is made up with using the contents of B2 and C2, and in between it we've put the word in, so that's Monday in January. Now, as we start to auto-complete that going down, what we're hoping is that it's able to continue to build the same relationships as it did for Monday and January. It will do the same for Wednesday and October.